Orchard Meadows. My name is Taylor and I'm going to take you on a tour of your new apartment home. So your new home will feature a nice open floor plan. You can see right into the living room. So it's definitely a good workspace. That way you can watch over the household at the same time. You've got a lot of drawer space, which is kind of hard to find in an apartment, so definitely appreciate that. Lots of cabinets, but also your pantry space is huge, especially for an apartment. Just look at that space. It is just nuts. So now we're in your living room area. Part of what I love about this space is with being on the 4th floor, you have these nice cutout ceilings, so us tall people just really appreciate that extra space. It makes it feel a lot bigger in here. Another thing I noticed is the amount of outlets, because in a world of technology, you need those. So lots of outlet spaces throughout the whole apartment. So the apartment also has a lot of great natural lighting. So right now this apartment is facing the west. So in your afternoon is really when you're going to have a lot of that great sunlight to just finish up your day. So now we're in your master bedroom. So this is a really nice space. I would feel comfortable fitting a king-size bed in here. Definitely spacious. You also have a nice full-size closet, that way you have plenty of space, as well as your master bathroom. So now we're in your second bedroom. It's really nice because the rooms are pretty much the same size, whether it's your second bedroom or your master. Either way, both have a great amount of outlets, as well as they both have that full-size closet, so you've got storage throughout. All right, guys, that's it. Did you love it? You did love it. I know you do. You do love it. I do too. So I can't wait to see your application come in, and I'll get you guys moved in. See you then.